Close your eyes for a moment and just listen. These words can change your life because what you repeat to yourself over and over slowly becomes your truth. I trust my abilities. Every day I grow stronger, braver, and more confident. I can face challenges and move through them. My inner voice deserves to be heard. I love myself exactly as I am. I am worthy of love, respect, and happiness. My mistakes are not failures. They are part of my growth. My body, my mind, and my spirit are all valuable. Today, I choose myself. Today, I believe in myself. Today, I remind myself, I am enough. Every time you repeat these affirmations, your confidence and self-love grow stronger within you. Listen again, repeat again, and let your words shape your future.